In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure date in Smartsheet. Timeline entry 2026. We're going to set up a proper date column in an existing sheet so your timeline entries are clean, consistent, and easy to report on. Start by opening your web browser and going to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, sign into your account. Use your usual credentials or your organization's single sign-on if that's how you access Smartsheet. This part should be quick, and after you're in, you'll land on your home page. On the left side, you'll see navigation that includes workspaces. Click all workspaces to expand the list and reveal everything you have access to. Choose the workspace that contains the project or process you're working on. Then open the specific sheet where you want to add your date field. If you don't see the sheet you expect, you may be looking in the wrong workspace, or you might not have the right permissions. Ideally, you should have editor access to make these changes. With the sheet open, move your mouse to the last column header on the right. Hover there and click the three dots icon to open the column menu. This menu lets you insert a new column. You can choose Insert Column Left or Insert Column Right. For most timeline setups, inserting to the right helps keep related fields grouped together, but either side works based on your layout. After you choose where to insert, a column setup window will appear. First, give your column a clear, descriptive name so teammates instantly know its purpose. Something like timeline date or target date often works well. Next, set the column type to date. Choosing date is important because it enables the calendar picker, applies consistent date formatting, and allows Smartsheet features like sorting, filtering, reporting, and Gantt views to treat the values as true dates. In the date settings, you'll see an option called Restrict to Dates Only. Turn this on if you want to ensure only valid dates can be entered. This helps keep your data clean and prevents typos or stray text. If you truly need flexibility to capture notes in the same cells, you can leave it off. But for timelines, restricting to dates is usually the better choice. When you're done, click OK, and Smartsheet will add the new date column to your sheet immediately. You can now click into any cell in that column to pick a date from the calendar or type one in your preferred format. Smartsheet saves changes automatically, so your updates are ready for sorting, filtering, and timeline views right away. That's it. Your date column is configured and ready for accurate 2026 timeline entries.